Hi traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel Trade with Bharat. So let's analyze what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So Nifty yesterday closed at 11,938 and today it opened at 11,921, a slight negative stat of 16.7 points. So based on yesterday's structure and closing, I had stated that Nifty is in a neutral close. And based on today's open, we could assume that the market will be a rotational day. So after open, it started moving up. It faced resistance here, and it started coming down. Both buyers and sellers were present, but nothing much happened majorly. It was very low volume day, like not much traded. So I'd stated that if Nifty starts trading above 11,975, it will be good for buyers, but they got exhausted as soon they reached a particular level. Today's high is 11,988 and the low is 11,884. So the range of today is 104.4 points. So in today's market, like both buyers as well as the sellers were present, nothing much move in a single direction. So based on today's structure and closing, we can say that market closed neutral. So it will be tomorrow we'll have to wait and watch whether buyers will take control or sellers will take control. So anything if it starts trading above 11,968 somewhere here, it will be good for buyers to push the market on the higher side. And if anything, if it starts trading below 11,905, it will be good for sellers to push the market on the lower side. Until then, we'll have to wait, and then trade. Let's move on to second Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty yesterday closed at 23,766 and it opened at 23,699. A negative start of 68 points. And based on yesterday's structure, I had stated that sellers are having upper end. So immediately, as soon as the market opened, they pushed it on the lower side. And then slowly buyers came in and they started pushing the market on the higher side. So based on structure, it was pretty much clear that today it will be a consolidation day, and it will not move much in either direction because as soon as the market opened a little down and it started going down, buyers came in, but they could not push the market on the higher side. They got exhausted very easily, and sellers came in and they pushed the market on the lower side. So looking at the overall structure, sellers are controlling the market, and it will be easy for them to push it on the lower side tomorrow. So today high in Bank Nifty is 23,840 and low is 23,450. So a range of 390 points. And I had stated that in case if Bank Nifty starts trading below 23,635, it will be easy for sellers to push the market on the lower side. But did not happen today. There were some buyers at the lower level and they pushed it onto the higher side. And for tomorrow, anything above 23,705, it will be good for buyers to push the market on the higher side. And anything below 23,390, it will be easy for sellers to push the market on the lower side. Okay. And so sellers are having control. So we can expect some weakness in the opening. So let's move to the second section, that is reviewing call shade on Telegram channel. First one is Indigo. Indigo was a buy call at 1340.5. It got triggered here and it came down, so stop loss was hit. And if you see the overall structure of this, sellers are controlling, and you can expect this particular stock to move on the lower side. And second stock which I had shortlisted was M&M. M&M was also buy call at 640.5. At 920, it got triggered, but again came down. Stop loss was hit. Now again, if you see the overall structure of this, sellers are controlling, and it closed at the day's low. Third stock which I shortlisted was PVR. PVR is a sell call at 1,242. So the sell call was triggered here, and it stayed almost near 1,230-35 for the most of the time, and then later in the second half it went up. This is like roughly 4 to 5 rupees profit. That's it. Like, okay, so I have put it in my Excel sheet summary. It is roughly minus 1200 is a loss. That is roughly minus 1.2% is a loss on the assumed capital. Okay, let's move on to the third section, that is shortlisted stock for next trading session. First stock which I've shortlisted is Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, if you see, after open only the first like 1 hour it was volatile. Then the market started moving on the sideways and did not do much. So expecting this particular stock to start trading below, and it can move down further easily, because if you see the overall structure from the past 2 days, a lot of selling is happening and sellers are controlling the market, and so we can expect some selling can trigger anything below today's low, or maybe yesterday's low also. It will be easy for sellers to push it on the lower side. In case if there is an overnight any positive news, anything about this level, you can expect some short covering happening, and it will move on the higher side. And also, if buyers participate, the particular stock can move on the much on the higher side. So overall structure of this particular stock looks very negative. That is, sellers are controlling it. Second stock which I've shortlisted is Titan. Titan also same thing, lots and lots of selling. That is, sellers are totally in control of this particular stock. You can expect this particular stock to become weak once it start trading below today's low. And if you see, it was very much in a range bound kind of, did not move any particular direction. And once it broke this particular level, again there was an exhaustion. Again it came down. Sellers to control, they pushed it onto the lower side, and almost they controlled till the end of the day. So this particular stock Titan is looking very weak. So we can expect some more selling to continue tomorrow. Third stock which I've shortlisted is Tata Steel. Tata Steel also same thing. If you see like a lot of selling happening, and sellers are controlling the market from quite like 4-5 days. So this particular stock also you can expect anything below today's low, you can expect some more weakness, and anything below yesterday's low, there'll be more weakness, and this particular stock can start moving on the lower side. In case if there is any positive on the overnight, then who have sold will have to cover their position, and this particular stock can short up easily and move very high. And if buyers join, this particular stock can move much faster on the upside. Okay, looking at the overall structure now, at present sellers are having an upper hand, and they can push it easily on the down.